down where the light won't stay, where the world forgets your name.
No signal, no sky to blame, only pressure, only change. We learned how the silence breathes. We learned how the silence breathes, how the deep rewrites believe. No gods in the circuitry, just the weight and what it frees. Hold your breath, let it break you clean. What you were is not what you'll be. Pressure made us, cut us into something new. No saviors waited, we became what could get through. No crown, no kingdom, no throne to fall apart. We don't rise above it, we survive the dark. They went far where the suns ignite, where the storms erase the light. Every system failed at night, so we built with bone and might. So we built with bone and might. Bodies built to bear the load. Every fracture, every node. Every fracture, every node turn to something that can hold. Feel it climb through your blood, your spine. What you lose is what redefines. Pressure made us, cut us into something new. No saviors waited, we became what could get through. No crown, no kingdom, no throne to fall apart. We don't rise above it, we survive the dark. We are the ones who stayed when the system decayed. We are the ones who chose not to break, but to change. You can follow the flame or remain what you were. Just a different time, only what will endure.